Cbse Grade 6 Chapter 8 Prose A Game of Chance. Solutions alone we will see. Summary and question answers. Right? Game of Chance is a story of Rashid, a small boy who is cheated by a shopkeeper in a fair. Right? Summary. A Game of Chance summary. The Eid fair lasted many days in Rashid's village every year. Tradesmen sold all kinds of goods there. Rashid's uncle took him and Baya, a domestic help, to the fair. A few of his uncle's friends met him. They wished him to spend some time with him. Uncle asked Rashid and Baya to look around the fair in his absence. He warned them neither to buy anything nor to go too far. The uncle knew that there were many shopkeepers in the fair who cheated the gullible. Rashid and Nano reached the lucky shop. The shop was called Lucky Shop because the owner of the shop wanted everybody to pay 50 paise and try his luck. An old man won a beautiful clock. He sold the clock back to the shopkeeper for 15 rupees. He went away highly pleased. A boy won a comb, a fountain pen, a wristwatch, and a table lamp. The boy was happy. He had returned the items and had received a good deal of cash. Baya encouraged Rashid to try his luck. He played many games and lost all his money. Both of them returned to the place where Rashid's uncle had left them. Rashid was very upset. In the hope of winning a big prize, he had lost all his money. Rashid's uncle returned soon after. Rashid was looking upset. Baya told the uncle what had happened. Rashid's uncle smiled and patted him. He bought a beautiful umbrella, biscuits, sweets, and some other gift for Rashid. Then they returned home. Rashid's uncle told him that the lucky shopman had played a trick on him. He said that the old man and the boy who won costly things were the friends of the shopkeeper. He advised Rashid to forget about the incident and his foolishness. Now, complete the following sentences from memory, choosing a phrase from those given in the brackets. A big fair is the answer. A big fair was held at the time of Eid festival. Tradesmen came to the village with all kinds of goods to sell is the answer, to sell. Uncle told me not to buy anything. Not to buy anything is the answer. Not to buy anything while he was away. The owner of the lucky shop wanted everybody present to try their luck. To try their luck. The first time I took a chance, I got 2 pencils. Uncle told me that the shopkeeper had made a fool of me. Now, answer the following questions. First question is, why do you think Rashid's uncle asked him not to buy anything in his absence? Uncle warned Rashid not to buy anything in his absence because the shopkeepers could cheat him and take away his money. Uncle warned Rashid not to buy anything in his absence because the shopkeepers could cheat him and take away his money. Why was the shop called Lucky Shop? The shop was named Lucky Shop so as to tempt the people to try their luck and win prizes. An old man won a clock and sold it back to the shopkeeper. How much money did he make? The old man made 15 rupees by selling the clock back to the shopkeeper. The old man made 15 rupees by selling the clock back to the shopkeeper. How many prizes did the boy win? What were they? The boy won 4 prizes, a comb, a fountain pen, a wristwatch, and a table lamp. It is not combs, comb. Why was Rashid upset? Rashid was upset because he thought he was unlucky at the game of chance. In what way did the shopkeeper make a fool of Rashid? The shopkeeper gave Rashid things of small value. He encouraged the boy to try his luck again and again. Innocent Rashid lost all his money. The words given against the sentences below can be used both as nouns and verbs. Use them appropriately to fill in the blanks. The two teams have played 3 matches already. The last day's played is the answer for the first one. The last day's play was excellent. Played and play. She has a lovely face. Face is the answer. India faced a number of problems these days. He made his mark in essay writing. Articles marked, sold, or reserved. Mark and marked. The police are dash the area to catch the burglars, combing the area to catch the burglars. An ordinary plastic comb costs 5 rupees. Comb. He gave a smile in answer to my question. We also smiled to see him smile. Smile and smiled. He said he hoped to be invited to the party. We gave up hope of his journey. Hoped and hope. Hope of his joining the party. We gave up hope of his joining the party. So hope. The boys put up a good athletic show. The soldiers showed great courage in saving people from floods. You deserve a pat on the back for your good performance. The teacher patted the child on the cheek to encourage her. So first one played, play. Second one faced. Third one marked. Fourth one combing, comb. Fifth one smiled. Sixth hope. Seven showed. Eight patted. Right. Notice the use of there in the following sentences. There was a big crowd at the fair. There were many things I would have liked to buy. A man at the door is asking to see you. There is a man at the door asking to see you. So there was a big crowd. There were many things. There is a man at the door. So all this you observe, and this park has beautiful roses. So this you have to change into a sentence using there. Right? Your story has no fun in it. We have no secrets between us. My village has 2 primary schools. This problem can be solved in 2 ways. So these sentences has to be changed using there. What happens? Beautiful roses. The object has to come first. Okay. There, right? There are beautiful roses. Why are is coming? Beautiful roses are plural form. There are beautiful roses in this park. There is no fun in your story. There are no secrets between us. There are 2 primary schools in my village. There are 2 ways to solve this problem. Right? So next, fill in the blanks in the paragraph below with words from the box. Huge, big, foolish, interesting, tiny, unlucky, last all the words. There was a huge Eid fair in our village. We could buy anything from a tiny toy to a big camel. I went to the fair on its last day, last day with uncle and Baya. We went to the lucky shop. It was very interesting. I tried my luck but did not win any prize. Later, the uncle told me that I was more foolish and unlucky. So, speaking and reading aloud, suppose you are Rashid. Describe in your own words your visit to the fair. Do not refer to the lucky shop. So, you should not refer to the lucky shop and you have to write on your own. So, one example is here. One day, my uncle took me to Eid fair. He left me in the company of my domestic help called Baya. He warned me not to go far from that place. Secondly, I must not buy anything in his absence. He went away to spend some time with his friends. I, along with Baya, went from one shop to another. When uncle returned, he bought for me some gift. This is from the lesson Lucky Shop. Is you should not write. Okay, you have to try on your own. Next is a small conversation. I would prefer a small but nice accommodation. I would like to have a room of my own for study as well as sleep. Yes, I do want a room with a television. No thanks. I don't need a hired car. No, I would prefer a car of my own to going by public bus. I would like to stay in a posh locality. Yes, I must have a big terrace. Yes, give me your contact number. No, no other requirement. So that's the end of the lesson, dear. Thank you so much.